Hey guys, welcome back. We are back again with another OnePlus device. This time it is OnePlus 8T and we are going to perform the drop test of this phone. And you might be thinking like why my phone is already broken. So this happened when I was checking the durability of this phone on my other channel. You can watch it. It's in Hindi but you can understand the visual. So in summary, the OnePlus 8T has the same problem like the previous OnePlus phone. For example, the 7T, it failed on the bench test from here, and this time OnePlus 8T failed from here. The only reason I think it has been failed on the bench test because OnePlus is trying to make the T series as slimmer as possible. That's why they're highlighting this feature. So as a precaution, as a point of note, do not try to sat on your phone, it may fail. Okay, and we are going to perform the drop test. So back panel is already broken. We'll be dropping from different angles and height, from the side impact, and also checking the display protection. This has been protected with the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 as said by the Corning website. We will see like whether we know that like it's going to fail because none of the OnePlus phone ever passed with me on the drop test starting from the OnePlus 6 and also the OnePlus Nord, the latest one, which has also been faced on the drop test. Okay, so let's start the test and see from which angle and from which height this phone is going to fail or maybe either dropped it. Alright guys, this is the initial waist height. Let's drop from the rear side. 3, 2, 1. And this time it is okay. No such problem, right? Top side. This time it is okay, no such problem. Corner impact, let's see from the corner side. Perfectly okay, no problem. All right, screen side, waist height. And phone is still okay. Now let's increase the height and drop the phone from the head height around 5 to 6 feet height, you can assume. Bottom side. That is a point of impact. As you can see, the glass is some design is slightly differently. As you can see, outer it is sea green, inside it is blue, and still display is okay, no problem. Top side. 3, 2, 1. So this is the point of impact, and so far display is again okay, and I guess glue is starting to get loose from the behind. I can see this rear panel is getting open. Now I will go to a service center. You will say like you're trying to repair your phone, but it is not actually. Okay. Now this is the second last drop test. We will drop from the rear side just to see whether the camera glass is going to fail or not. 3, 2, 1. And it's completely shattered from the back side, and it will be a good thumbnail just to make yourself fool. Alright guys, the moment of truth we are waiting for. We are going to drop from the screen side and we assume this is going to fail. I know that. 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Ooh, surprising. And to my surprise, the front display is still okay, and this is the first OnePlus phone which has passed the drop test. Rear panel was already cracked, so we assume it's going to crack more, but the display is perfectly okay. The reason I can guess why it has been passed on the drop test, especially on the display side, maybe because it is slightly lighter and the display is flat. Generally curved display phones are more fragile, and this is lightweight phone. On the top, Gorilla Glass 5 is very good when it comes to drop. Okay, so that's been it guys. The only problem with the OnePlus 8T this time is really on the frame side. It may bend. You can avoid the drop test by using good case tempered glass, but it's really tough to avoid the bending on the phone. So do not try to sat on your phone or don't throw it here and there. It may bend and break. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a great day.